Hey everyone, this week we've got a couple vehicles from the late 70s. First up is a diecast with opening parts. This is the Dodge Warlock by American Muscle by Auto World. This is very old tooling. This is like 30 years old. Back when it was an Ertl, it would have been black and gold at first. So it's a bit of a re-release of old tooling. I know, I think the green and bronze is really pretty. That's why I felt I had to have it. I think they did make some small improvements. If I can open these doors, there is carpeting in there and a simulated floor mat. I'm pretty sure the original release didn't have that. So panel fitment is not exactly great. Paintwork is not great. A lot of orange peel. Engine detail, it's alright. Nothing great. No spark plugs, wires, nothing like that. Big thick dog legs. These had a variety of different engines. Slant sixes all the way up to 440s. I think this is a 360 V8. You can also get a 318. Simulated wood bed. I mean, it's really nice. The retail's $100, which again, this is not worth $100. This is dating back 30 years. The tooling is from year one. Quality's not so great. I paid I think $65 shipped because the box was not so great from Facebook Marketplace. So at that price, I'm not mad at it. Car number 76 out of Who Knows. I'll show you the slightly beat up box. I don't know, a little bit beat up, but $65 at that price, I'm not mad at it. Next up, we've got a BOS. So this is sealed resin. This is a VW Polo Mark 1 is the platform code. If you like your VW platform codes, there you go. The Polo was smaller than the Golf. We never really got it in the US. This is, I think, a 1976. BOS, typical, very good interior. Good paintwork. Windows are pretty good. It's a really basic car, so it winds up being a very basic model. This is car number 980 out of 1,000. Very basic chassis detail. This was at American Excellence, which, as we know, is closing up shop in the US. 60% off, so it was about $51, and I'd tell you to go get one, but you can't because they literally dropped one or two at a time and they sold out in 15 minutes. So there's that. Typical BOS box. Not very exciting. Yeah, and American Excellence, you know, just sometimes I missed out on. They had a really good BOS Cadillac that literally sold out in a minute. That sometimes does $400 on eBay for $50, but can't win them all. So I've been checking American Excellence like every 15 minutes this week, trying to score some more good deals. Replicars had a sale for March Madness. Bought 3 cars this week, all GT Spurts. So keep an eye out for those. Everyone have a good one. Please like and subscribe.